My name is what? My name is who? My name is
Officer Puppet.
Hi. My name is My name is what? My name is
Officer Puppet.
Hi. My name is what? My name is who? My name is
Officer Puppet.
Hi. My name is My name is what? My name is
Officer Puppet.
Car Wash Cleveland is never leaving. They're here to keep it clean, need receiving the best car wash that ever around. If clean was a sound, we leave it loud. Make your car looking so fantastic. I hand it, I hope you can manage. Have you breaking necks, leave your soul impressed. Yeah, I bet your car will look better than the rest. Like it's right off the lot, and the cost ain't a lot. You'll be blowing up the spot, cause your ride is hot. If you wanna go and get it on, then head to carwashcleveland.com. Yes, I said, if you want the car wash that's the bomb, then head to carwashcleveland.com.